We're here with Concordia assistant coach Don Frank, and Coach Frank, you're in your 7th year as an assistant for this team.
Yes.
Not a spring chicken in terms of your coaching time. What do you think about this year's team and just the outlook of this team heading into tomorrow's play?
Well, I think we have a little bounce to our step right now, and I know last year when we came into the tournament we were hurt a little bit. I think we're a little deeper. This team can score a little bit more and we rebound the ball better. That being said, I don't know as if we're truly as tenacious as we were last year, but we can score more points and we're a better rebounding team. So I think that's a nice take for us on that.
Not many seniors on the team, but the seniors that are on it, Ben Smith, Justin Johnson, and the Smith brothers, that's a pretty big guys to be replacing next year. What does that do just with chemistry and all that?
It is. I think Justin has been a wonderful player for our program. I mean, he's, how can you ask any more? He's a 2-time GSAC Player of the Year. He's at practice every day. He's always working on his game. He never complains about anything. He's just there all the time. And Ben Smith's been a great teammate too the last 4 years. He's been really consistent in his efforts with this team. He's at practice every day. Never an issue in the classroom. Never anything about not being able to practice. He's a wonderful young man, and he really helps us in defending the post and blocking a lot of shots this year for us, getting up quick off his feet, so that's been good. Of course, the Smith brothers have been a big plus, especially Jarrell. Jimmy can really shoot the ball when given a chance, but Jarrell could be a big plus for us in this tournament because he can do a lot of things. He can shoot from the outside. He can go to the offensive glass. He can, when he wants to, he can spread out and guard somebody. He's got a long reach. He's a big part of this team, and I think he might have a real big tournament.
Coach, you started coaching back in the late '60s.
Yes.
What drives you? What motivates you to coach at this point in your career?
Well, at this point in my career, it's pretty easy. What I want to do is I want to encourage the young athletes on the team, just encourage them, and maybe once in a while share something that will be meaningful to them. And for the assistant coaches and Coach Ammon as well, just be there for them, maybe shed a little bit of mature light on some of the situations, and every once in a while make a comment that might encourage them as well as maybe help the team by something I might see on the floor. But all in all, for me, I don't do what I used to do, but it's great for me to be in the program, and I appreciate Ken's allowing me to be in the program the last 7 years. It's been great for me.
Have you seen Ken grow as a person and as a coach? You started coaching him back when he was in junior college, if I'm right?
We had Ken when he was in 1988. He had bounced back from Cal State Bakersfield. Played for us at what is called now Santa Ana College, and for a while it was called Rancho Santiago College. He played junior college with us with a great JC player named Alonzo Jameson, who later played at Kansas. Was an all Big 8 in those days player at Kansas. And Ken wasn't far behind. He was a very tenacious, competitive player, and wasn't surprised at all that he went off to Stanford and played there. Had such a great career there. But what a jump from a junior college in Southern California to being an academic All-American and an NIT winner and captain at Stanford. He was a great competitor when we coached him. He was always in great shape. He could really shoot the ball. And so he's a great player's coach because he knows what it's like to play and play at a high level. He was very competitive and successful because he was competitive. He wasn't the best player. He was a very good player, had good skills. And the other thing is he's extremely intelligent. And what I notice now over the years, the intelligence just rises up. He understands and knows the game. He knows people very well. He's extremely intelligent. He knows what he's trying to get done. He sees the game very well and makes adjustments well. So he's got a great package as a head coach. I'm very impressed with what he's done.
All right, well, Coach, thanks for your time. Thanks for sitting down with us, and good luck tomorrow.
My pleasure. Go Eagles.